everyone, and welcome to another video. Okay, we're back on the Corsa. She's pretty much done now. I'm ready to take some photos of it and put it up for sale. So I'll show you what I've done. I've buffed the whole car. I've re-hoovered, put some new mats in, done all the plastic trim on the outside under the bonnet, the tyres, the wheel trims, fitted a new door, changed the locks over and stuff like that. And basically gone through the whole car until it looks like what I'm about to show you. So I'll show you now. Right, so I'll take it outside, show you what we got. Sorry if it's a bit windy. As you can see, she's nice and shiny. No horrible dent in the door anymore. I think you'll agree she's looking pretty good. Give the tyres a wipe over, put the trims on. Same on the other side. She's looking pretty good, I think. Nice and tidy. We just have to run the hoover through one more time just to get the fluff off the new mats. But otherwise, looking really, really nice. Also done all under the bonnet, as I would normally. Just got to give that the final finishing touches with the black. All nice and clean. And she's ready to go up for sale. This is only a short video just to show you where we are with the Corsa. As I say, we're pretty much done. It's already got an MOT, so we're now off to take some photos, and that's pretty much the end of this car. So as you can see, she's pretty much done. Quite an easy car to do, mainly cleaning up and changing over a door and just going through the whole car, make sure it's all good. Obviously with that sort of mileage it was pretty good anyway, but it's now 10 times better and ready for someone else to put on the road and use for work, use as a first time car, just to have some fun on the weekends, whatever they want to use it for really. It's fit for purpose, little 1 litre, very cheap to run, cheap to service, etc. So that's all good. Okay, so I'll add some photos at the end here of the car completed once I've done the final waxing and stuff like that, and that'll be the end of the videos for this car. So I'd like to say thanks for watching, thanks for all your comments and stuff like that on the Facebook groups and things like that as well on YouTube, and we'll find another project very soon.